What's the best thing you got about Daisy Blink?
Shut up!
I'm an expat here for like 6 years now, but still I always feel like an outsider because
The kind of opportunities that Dubai brings you, it's unreal. गला दबा दूंगी अपने पति का. गालियाँ पड़ती है, threats भी आते हैं.
it's like kata tera hai and kata to mera bhi
Mera
hai.
bhi hai.
No, when I'm single I like Salman Khan. When I'm dating then I like Shah Rukh.
You guys like Rakhi Sawant?
एक तो अच्छा दे देता.
Start dating, get married, put couple content out or lose your job. I will date Rizwan Sajja.
देसी ब्लिंग मत बनाना दोबारा मत. I am employed.
Currently I'm unemployed.
Okay, that's cool.
उसी से शुरू होता है जुनैद. This is very dangerous.
Hold
Be very careful.
We girls also want to watch a lot of enemies to lovers, fake dating to lovers, different love tropes. So I think that was sweet.
काफी उलझा हुआ है Gen Z. Telling you. Media signing off.
Today we have three amazing ladies with us. RJ Shraddha, Kanika and Mihika. Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How are you guys doing? Let's start with you.
Fantastic. How are you today?
Good. What about you guys?
All good.
How are you feeling?
I'm very excited actually. This is my first podcast, so very excited to like.
Same. It's my first. So I'm
Copy
nervous.
paste.
Yeah, I'll copy paste. Actually, +1. I'm nervous, but I'm excited.
All right, guys, today we have three media professionals with us and we will be speaking about their content creation journey, their media industry journey and how things have evolved over the time. And especially we will be speaking about the experience with reality shows, and there are a couple of new trending reality shows which people are loving it and people are not liking it. So we'll speak about both the things. We will start with quite quick introduction. I just want you to introduce yourself of your journey.
Sure. So my name is Shraddha Vyas. I'm very new to Dubai. I have come from Bahrain. Born in Mumbai, raised in Bahrain. I hold a decade of experience in hosting events, like into content creation, and I'm an ex-radio presenter. So I have like complete knowledge what goes on air, off air, on camera, off camera.
Okay.
And here I am like navigating and understanding what I should be doing in Dubai. But currently I am employed.
Okay, that's cool.
Yes, and there also
Currently, I'm unemployed. Okay, that's it.
so I'm into a film production company, and my job is to create content, produce content. I become a producer, director, camera woman,
Okay.
everything for the client.
All-rounder.
All-rounder, yes.
That's why I have introduced you as media personality.
Exactly. So
That's-
talking about my content creation journey, it began during COVID.
Okay.
That was the time where I was stuck in Mumbai, had no idea what to do, being laid off during the COVID time.
Okay.
And it was my brother who was like, why don't you try this? So
How were you
since
at the
then-
camera at that time when you started?
Very nervous. I used to be like, why I have to show my face?
Okay.
Like, because like having done a short crash course in radio. So I was like, radio is all about voice. So आवाज ही है, why face and all that? So he was like, no, digital game is changing. You have to
That
show.
time content was not content.
Correct.
It was just like few people who were creating content.
Exactly.
It wasn't
like-
Dub Smash musically and
Yeah,
all that.
Exactly.
TikTok.
And
Have
I
you
used to-
created content on that
So
platform?
Yes, I
many
have.
times.
Okay.
All Alia Bhatt dialogues.
Absolutely.
So
Okay.
not on those platforms, but I started with TikTok, and then we all know TikTok was banned in India.
Yeah.
So then I started focusing on Instagram. So it's not like I had a typical style of like posting content like what I see other like so-called influencers in other countries. Not like in Dubai, I have not met a lot, but in Bahrain, if I would talk about them, like not exactly what they do. So I always believed in one thing coming from the radio background and like storytelling. There has to be something which should sell like while you are producing any sort of content. Like there has to be some relatability, there has to be a hook. You can't just like just go and scream in supermarkets.
Yeah, true. Okay, what about you? Let's start with
Okay,
you.
I'm a digital marketer, so I've worked a full corporate job all my life. Recently, I was a content creator for an agency, and now I am again looking for like new jobs. And my personal page, though, it's mostly just me ranting about things or something I like, something I don't like, which I have actually archived it all now because, as she said, it's about relatability and it's about having a hook line storytelling. I think that was missing in my content. So now I'm doing like a full rebrand of my content.
You know, I see the ranting things happens only with girl creators, or even does guys do ranting?
Guys also. No, guys do it. Guys also, I've seen guys.
I've seen
do
a
that.
lot.
I've seen
a
as
lot of
well.
RJs also. Yeah, a lot of RJ guys.
Yeah.
Random.
You know, with regards to RJ, I was just speaking to my previous guest. Your work lifestyle and everything is so cool. Every time you will be on music, dance, and everything. I'm like, okay. Then she said it's not like that. We have to sacrifice a lot.
A
of
lot,
things.
actually. I've seen it. I mean, off air, so I know they sacrifice a lot. It's not a joke. I mean, that's what I used to think, because I used to like run behind radio. I loved radio like all my life. I still do. I mean, I've been listening to it since my childhood, so I always wanted to be on the radio. But then that didn't work out for me. So I've chosen content creation for myself now. So I'm a
Yeah.
social media manager and I also am a content creator. But I've worked behind the scenes for a radio station for like the last 4 years. And then now I'm by myself and also helping like a couple of brands build themselves online.
So, what type of content do you create usually? How did your content creation journey started?
I rant. I rant my emotions out, literally. And I think that's the only thing that people really relate to. That's what I've seen that works out for me. Because people really connect with real emotions. I mean, that's one side जो हमें डर लगता है, but if you put it out, you know there are people out there who actually think the same as you.
I get you get that validation sometimes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But do you guys script? Any of you script before creating content?
Yes, we have to.
You do script.
I don't script.
Even I mean,
I don't
never.
script.
Okay.
So if it's a brand collaboration, definitely yes.
Okay. Like you plan or you script word to word or
No, we plan it
segment?
out, and more or less some elements it's like impromptu. But the other videos which are not like brand deals and all, that is just like random, whatever came into my mind. Camera on karo,
Yeah.
mic on rakho, chalo shuru ho jao.
Fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, scripting doesn't. It makes you can try as much as you can, but you will never be able to get that raw, natural
Exactly.
take. The first time, what your thought is there, you can say, but like if you script it, it's not gonna look the same. I think on camera. Also, I'm Kanika, by the way. I didn't say my name.
No, that introduction will be done later. Okay.
वो तो पहले बोलना था.
Script पढ़कर नहीं आई है.
But
Happens. You know, for me, when I started content, right? So I used to do Instagram live chat back in COVID days.
Okay.
And those days, I think I have done around 90 live chat because
Wow.
my English was bad. I was like, that was the only medium where I could communicate with people. So I started with this. Initial 5 podcasts, I still remember keeping the paper on the table with books as a tripod and keeping the phone there. And initial 5 podcast live chat to ऐसे गए कि I was literally reading every questions. Then after 5 podcasts, I realized कि I am more into philosophical things, motivational stuff. I could speak fluently. Then I understood, okay, this is my strengths which I can see of content creation, and I can speak random things on that. And that's where I was like, okay, this is something which I need to focus on. And then I tried to do talking head videos after coming to Dubai. It went very bad. I was like, no, I'm never touching talking head videos again because I have a marketing agency where my idea was helping people learn about personal branding, content creation, and everything. Then when I started doing that, it was a 21 days challenge. I stopped at 15 days.
But speaking of live, how many views did like the live viewers, right? So did you ever see कि चलो 10 लोग ही हैं, did you get demotivated? Because sometimes numbers do affect you, right? Like at one point you will feel कि इस पे तो 700 views आए, 100,000 or whatever.
See, for me at that time, it wasn't goal कि मुझे live पे views चाहिए. For me, it was just like consistent रहना because the place where I come from, there were no content creators. I was the first one to start there, content creation and everything. For me, it was a platform built for showcasing talents. And live chat was one of the things which I wanted to do. The tagline was your stories, your inspiration.
Okay.
So we had sometimes I had very good guests like Nikhil Taneja, Yuva.
Oh,
we are
wow. That is lovely.
So the founder of Yuva came. Rida Tarana was there.
Oh,
Oh,
lovely.
Rida,
She's
So
a great
all-
speaker as well.
Yeah. So Rida Tarana had around 50K followers, I believe, at that time.
Right.
So then eventually she grew up like crazy. I was like, it's great to see such people reach heights now.
Yeah.
Right. So then there were a couple of more creators who I knew because from the creator's perspective, when I see people growing, right, it's crazy. Like Eclipse Noah. Do you know Eclipse Noah?
No.
He's a singer from IIT Delhi. started following when he had 500 followers. Then Ranveer, Wear Biceps went to his college. He promoted him. Eventually, his fan base went crazy. So this guy is kind of person who I was like, okay, this is the growth journey which I like to get inspired by. And when you see such people, someone like us doing something like this, it's quite motivating for
Absolutely.
us. Just
Yeah,
to-
you have to build a community. I feel you need to relate with the audience. Like right now, I am at like nothing, like 3,800 or something. But like you guys have a lot more like people watching you, right? Or
Not really.
But Kanika, Mihika's things I have seen. Okay. So I have seen you have a face recognized because few of your
I've seen
content
so
has
much.
gone viral.
Yeah, like genuinely you come up on my profile a lot, like on my.
I didn't know
following
that.
and everything. You teaches us. Don't worry.
Okay, great.
Did you see her?
I do follow her since my
Oh my
radio
god!
days. Yes,
You have a fan following.
Whoa, guys.
because I used to see her with a lot of that particular station's dogs.
Oh, yeah.
on their stories, on the feed, and all that. Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
how I know about her.
Because when I saw you in GGN Awards,
Okay,
then I
yeah.
was like, I have seen this face somewhere, but I wasn't sure. Then I followed you on Instagram. I was like, oh, that's the same person.
Damn. Yeah, but
Okay.
no, I didn't follow you, but I will follow you. But I'm sorry, is what I'm saying. Like you come on my feed.
I'm going to follow you
Like-
back. Thank you so much.
He is the guy.
Oh, this is on Reels. I've seen this song.
He's the one.
Yeah.
When Bati Sari,
Yeah.
Such a. Oh my God, yes, of course.
He 2019 he had around 500 followers.
Okay.
And he was starting his career. I still remember his second video went out, and I was the person who was interested in studying in universities like IIT Delhi.
Yeah.
I DM'd him like, bro, what's the thing with how do I need to prepare and all those things. But the science was not my thing.
Clearly.
Are you guys science student by any chance?
No,
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Shakal pe likha
That's
hoga.
why we are here.
But in school, like I studied biology. I wanted to become a doctor, but फिर 12th तक आते आते realize कि नहीं हो पाएगा. 5
हर
साल का
बच्चे को
medical.
बचपन में या तो डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर ही बनना
हाँ, कि अब नहीं हो सकता और. But
Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so how much time do you spend on content every day, like on
Like, how much I
mobile?
consume
Yeah,
or-
consume?
8 hours of my work, so like 6 hours that time.
Okay.
And once I go back home, 10 to 12 hours at
Oh my God,
least.
okay.
At least. And I see a lot of weird things coming up on my algorithm these days. Like, what am I searching? What am I watching actually?
What about you? How much time do you
I
consume?
had very like I think again 10 to 12 hours a day, but अब मैंने बहुत ही कम कर दिया. Now I feel the less I watch, the more creative I get. Because
Yeah?
the more I watch content, I lose my creative senses. When I'm in my own head, then I'm more creative. So now it's like 4
Yeah. What about you?
Same, 10 to 12 hours. I mean, that's my job. So it takes the whole day. And then the rest time, I'm consuming content just to learn, to see what's happening, just to be updated. Yeah.
So, do you prefer creating content based on the trend, what's going, like formats or anything?
No.
Sometimes, yes.
Yeah.
Sometimes, because I do like speak to 2-3 friends of mine who are in this field. Like, we always have discussions, like what should be happening, what should we do. And I have been working with them when I was in Bahrain. So it gives me more like, sense of security that whatever I'm doing on Instagram, it's like, not something bewakoof nahi lagna mujhe. That's the thing. So sometimes yes for trends, sometimes no.
I love dance trends actually, but मेरे साथ करने के लिए कोई है नहीं. वरना I would be only
I'll
doing
join you,
dance.
Kanika. We'll join you. Come on, we'll join you.
got the dance.
I'm not even. There's such cool steps. Okay, इतनी अच्छी choreography होती है. But now I really want to do it. But अभी कोई है नहीं करने के लिए. So ना ठीक है कर लेंगे. But we just never do it. That's one trend I would really want to like constantly catch up on. But in terms of other, nah.
So, have you started done any kind of dance content?
I had and I had to stop because of the comments what I was getting.
Okay.
So it did impact me back then when I was in radio. And then I stopped posting. And more or less, I somewhere feel that I should learn dancing and then
Okay.
post on my Instagram or TikTok. or whatever, like, other platforms.
You could be one of those bad. There's this actress in India. I forgot her name. Okay, but she deliberately dances bad because it gets views.
Oh, I know
I'm not
what you're
even
talking
talking.
about.
I'm forgetting the name.
Is it the
but-
serial girl? The
Haan,
one who
but
comes on the
serial
TV
girl,
serial?
but
Yeah,
there's one girl.
I know
I'm
who you're
forgetting
talking.
her name.
Deepika.
Maybe.
I guess.
Wait, I think she's right. I think it is Deepika.
Deepika
but
from...
She comes in a really famous serial.
अरे उसमें थी,
Like we
दिया
watched her
बाती,
for
दिया बाती.
yes, yes,
Oh,
yes,
that
yes, yes.
female.
She was in the
उसको नाचना नहीं आता.
Yes, no, and she deliberately dances weirdly.
She's telling I'm better than her.
No, like you could people do anything and it gets views. Like
Yeah.
that's what like sometimes like she
Like
dances.
they're slow motion where people are walking, just like, looking. And those TikTok trends when early TikTok had started,
Yeah.
it was so crazy when I used to see. They're just like walking and they get like, million views.
Yeah, there'll be one
Yeah.
quote, life goes on.
Yeah. And those Joker BGM.
Yeah, yeah, I remember that.
Do you guys do that kind of content like kuch to dikha ke then put some kind of lines up there and those video goes in like 100K, 1000.
See, those
1 million.
get views. But
Yeah.
I don't think I'm that kind of person who would do it. But I've seen people do it. A lot of my friends do it. They'll walk ऐसे अलसीफ पे walk करेंगे, फिर उनको एक quote डाल देंगे ऊपर.
I used to do that पहले. मजा आता था, पता नहीं.
Yeah,
Not for
exactly.
views, but
No,
मजा
we-
But
आता
I
था.
got views and I got
I
likes
really
as
got,
well.
yeah.
And I was
Yes.
millions of them. I grew
Yeah.
from like literally during COVID days, I did that. And from 0 to 10K in no time.
Wow.
And you were just like putting.
Yeah, literally.
Like,
So I used to
beauty
dance
shots
also
and-
sometimes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes dancing also and just putting those quotes and all. Sometimes there were like 70,000 likes on it, 80,000 likes. And I used to be like, ये कैसे हो रहा है? कहाँ से हो रहा है? कौन देख रहा है इसको?
I think that way that was the trend at that time.
At that point
Instagram
of
was
time.
pushing those kind of content because if I tried creating those type of content, a separate page like that in 2024, it didn't work out
It won't
because
work out now.
it was the content that used to work in 2021, 22.
Right.
23, I was just speaking to a few of my friends, creator friends. 23 mein na, I see many of the creators or entrepreneurs becoming creators like Yusuf Bhai, Khaled,
yes,
and
right,
they got famous at that time. So every year there's a new trend coming up in content. Abhi to I see lots of people. I'm not sure what is the new trend that's currently working for creators in the market.
I think day in my life.
Day in my life.
Vlogs, daily vlogs. Everybody wants to watch
Yeah,
कि
yeah,
दूसरे
yeah,
अपने life
everyone.
में क्या कर रहा है. Every hour they put 9 a.m., 10 a.m. That works a lot. And
Lifestyle
again,
works, I think.
Yeah.
Lifestyle works
again,
a lot.
yeah, for day in my outfits for girls. Let's say.
Yeah,
Get ready with me.
Get ready
Get
with
ready
me.
with
I
me.
think my
Get
algorithm
unready
has
भी हो
gone in
गया, अब तो
90s
people
then.
start.
Oh my god.
I get to see all this a lot. Breakup, like fighting.
Relationship rants, you mean?
Too many.
Yeah. Any relationship, you girlfriend, boyfriend, talk or whatever.
Then you see, there's those beautiful sunset, sunrise, and that she is this girl, he is that guy.
Oh,
Couple content as well.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my god. See, I think I have cracked it sometimes. I feel like if you want to get famous on the internet, either get married or lose
Yeah,
your,
absolutely.
either get married, get
We
a
can
boyfriend.
get married once.
No, I'm not even kidding. Start dating, get married, put couple content out, or lose your job because then you can be like a day
Oh, I
one
lost
of
my
being
job.
unemployed. Day one
There's
of
some
being
new guy in Dubai who just came on my For You page.
Is that
couple of
Viren
videos.
Vlogs?
Yes.
He came on my page too, and I love
And
his
I was
content.
like, I literally reached out to him. I'm like, yeah, please send me your, like, whatever is your portfolio and work
Yeah.
done so that maybe I
He's
can
so
check in my office if there's something for you.
Yep. And also Kareem drivers. Their
Yeah,
content does
of
so
course.
well.
The local
Day in my
content,
life.
basically.
Yeah,
The
again.
dancer.
Talabat
The-
rider.
Earlier
Yeah,
he
Talabat,
was
yeah.
with Noon, if I'm not mistaken.
No, Talabat.
No, with Talabat. And
No,
he-
there's one in Noon as well.
One in
There's
Noon.
one
And
And there's one
Noon.
Kareem one also on TikTok. I'm forgetting his name, but he also does like really good.
So local connectivity,
yeah,
I think.
I started this new page called Humans of the Gulf.
Okay.
And when you go on ground and get stories, right, I see, for example, when I started creating content for the first time, I was quite conscious and I used to get scared while facing camera. But people, delivery riders, when I go on road and speak to them, they are so confident on
Yeah,
camera. I'm like, bhai, kya chal raha hai? Hum kya kar rahe the?
Yeah,
True that.
I have done a few vox pops as well. They're
Yeah.
very fluent in the way they talk, and they will be like, "अरे आपको English में बोलना, English में बात करेंगे, हिंदी में करेंगे." And I'm like, "Wow, that's
That is
very
one
nice.
part of my current job where I actually interact with the workforce of Dubai, and they are like 100 times more confident than me because I'm like back camera and I like prompt them. Okay, how does it feel away from your family?
Yeah.
अच्छा लगता है दुबई में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I'm like, you don't miss your family? बिल्कुल नहीं.
Oh my God.
Another wedding content does so well. It's not, it doesn't even have to be your wedding. You
Yeah.
go to someone
Anyone's
else's wedding
wedding.
and you shoot something.
Yeah, just
that's
dance
gonna go
there.
well. Yeah.
Ho jayega
And
काम.
ऊपर एक quote डाल दो and all of these things.
The fisheye coat, that is something like that is like, pulling a
the
lot of
yellow one, na,
yellow color
font, yeah,
ka,
the
haan,
fisheye
that's
thing is
there.
going. That's what I posted yesterday only. One reel I posted, but that's
Right now, RCB content was trending.
I posted yesterday.
Because the celebration which happened last night was crazy.
Epic,
and
I don't know, that win was personal. I felt like that.
who you guys support?
I don't know. I
you
only watch it for fun, तो मैं support करूँ.
मतलब support नहीं करते. At least say RCB.
Because we're in the podcast RCB.
कल के मैच में RCB.
कल के match में.
No, but Virat, of course.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, like-
everyone's a huge Virat fan, so I think automatically they just start supporting RCB.
Who is your favorite star?
Star as in
Cricket,
like,
Bollywood,
cricket.
cricket.
Oh, there's a different vertical for all. If you
all.
want, I'll give you everyone. The whole
Okay,
list.
tell about cricket and Bollywood.
Cricket mein, I love Virat Kohli. And I really want him to like one of my pictures and then say it was algorithm.
We're all waiting for that.
So Virat Kohli, and I don't know, somewhere like, yesterday when I saw that Patidar on screen, like because of course, I don't like watch cricket a lot, but when it's IPL and specifically certain matches, I do get very excited. I slowly developed a little bit of crush for Rajat Patidar
nice.
as well. Yes.
Okay.
But I'm like,
Rajat Patidar.
he is
The new star.
the new star.
The new
Yes.
crush.
The new crush. But there are more. There's a long list.
Okay, let's start with Rajat.
So this is sports, but what about your
Bollywood.
Bollywood entertainment?
Salman Khan.
Oh, me too.
I see her content for Salman.
Oh, I love Salman
I had
Khan.
actually made a reel in Bahrain where I was like outside, like in a car parking lot outside a mall, like types of walks a girl does. My last walk was like, the Bhaijan walk.
Oh my god.
And I was
Did
like,
it work?
getting, it did, like it was not for views and all that, of course, like it reached 20K at that time. Abhi, I don't even check, I just keep like posting because of whatever algorithm is playing around. But then I got like, a lot of friends of mine and my family members, like literally ऐसे चलता है वो. I'm like, देखो तो सही एक बारी. It's just like 1% I have like, tried to do that.
Damn.
What about you?
Me, for content you're saying, or just like who do I like generally?
Generally.
Generally, I like Salman Khan a lot. I love his personality. But when I'm single, I like Salman Khan. When I'm dating, then I like Shah Rukh. Depends. Ki lover boy personality hai ya Sigma wave personality. So I'll be Salman. But Salman Khan, Varun Dhawan does a good marketing strategy for all his films. So I love his reels. I think he very much catches up on the trends. And
Yeah.
Samay Raina, my favorite comedian.
Oh my god,
These are
yes.
the people I love.
I think she have met Samirana.
Yes, of course. I had the biggest crush, and I was like, "Am I dreaming? What is happening?" And I still keep reliving that.
How was
those
he?
5 minutes. Oh, he's a great personality.
Did he roast you?
No, he didn't. He was actually very kind.
Yeah?
I was so pissed at one of my friends who did not take me to a boat party where all of these people had gone while he was here. And the second I told him, I'm like, by the way, your friend was on that boat. He was sending me pictures and trying to make me jealous. And he was like, why didn't you come? That's what he said. He was so kind. We met him after the show. But what a personality. I mean, so humble, so down to earth. I think that's why these people get success the way they do.
Exactly.
And Komal Pandey, sorry, just one more person. Komal Pandey, I love her fashion content.
Oh, she's
Crush bol rahe.
Crush.
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 Crush? Oh, we have to talk about our crushes. I thought personality.
No, it's okay. Crush personal. Let's mix up.
Shit, I
So
just
then I would add 2-3 more. Ranveer Singh.
Okay.
And it's okay to have crush on a female.
Okay,
also, right?
Ranveer Singh will come later on in the
Okay.
game part. So let's go with
Oh, Shah Rukh Khan, of course.
Okay.
Bollywood Shah Rukh Khan. I've met him as well. He's as sweet and as kind and as
You met
romantic.
Shah Rukh Khan?
Shah Rukh and Samay Raina.
Oh my god.
And Salman Khan as well.
What do you do for
Yeah, they've all been
What do
nice.
you do for living?
I was in the radio while I met all of them.
Okay, which
But you're-
radio?
Here in Dubai, yeah.
Okay, can we join that radio?
Are
you hiring?
If you have a Shah Rukh Khan story, you have to say it.
Oh,
Yeah,
he's
okay.
very sweet. He's someone जो 2 घंटे पहले आ जाती है शो से. Like imagine everyone else being late. पर जो मेन सेलिब्रिटी है मेन स्टार है वो 2 घंटे पहले आ चुका है and everyone's like, oh, he's already in the green room.
No.
We're going there for briefing. He's like, say whatever, I'll do it. He's that kind of personality. So he's a sweetheart.
Just like she came 30 minutes before the recording.
Thank you. You spoke to him like 1-to-1 and everything.
We did. I mean, a little bit. We were in between work,
How is
of
he in
course.
person? You
Oh,
must
he's
have
very
felt-
sweet. They're very kind. Like
How did
I
you
feel the
feel?
people on top are really kind.
How did you feel? Like, were you
Were you wanted to
nervous?
cry?
or-
Like, did you want to?
Unreal. I think I've cried for a couple of them. I think I've cried when I saw Arijit Singh. I think I cried when I saw Shah Rukh Khan. Salman, no, but he was very kind as well. Like literally, I was standing far off from him. He literally put down the windows of his car and he was like, "Come this side and take picture."
my
Like he
God.
asked us.
Were you that girl on the reel where you were in JBR? No. Okay, there was some other girl. One girl in Dubai saw Shah Rukh Khan in JBR or something, and he called her again, like, "Oh, come near the car."
No, Salman Khan called me, and Shah Rukh Khan. We were working for the same event, so
Okay.
that's how we met, like a couple of times. But
I
yeah.
think she have also got into the video of the King of Dubai.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
of course. We were just driving by. Literally, it was
No,
so
and
random.
he waved her
Oh,
back.
this I saw recently.
saw
right?
it, right?
This I saw.
Super
Yeah.
random.
I was like, wow, this
Dubai
is
is unreal, right? Anything can happen here.
Anything, anytime.
Here I've met Sania Mirza
Mm-hmm.
in Mall of the Emirates, and then yes, I think this weekend I met Ravi Dubey and Sargun. If
Oh,
you
wow.
know, yeah,
Yes,
at
of
Time Out
course.
Market. I went with my friends to
That is
party,
so
and they were
cool.
there also partying. It was
Oh,
fun.
shit.
Dubai is unreal. I mean,
Yeah.
it's so easy to access these people जो लोग मरते हैं India में, like, you know, to meet
I
them.
agree.
And it's impossible to meet them if you're in India. But like here, the kind of opportunities that Dubai brings you, it's unreal.
You know, this is one of the best thing to happen in Dubai life is Creators HQ for me. Like 1 billion summit, you were there?
And
I was,
you went,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, I was. You were there,
It
right?
changed my life, of course.
To be honest, I saw like people who has like if it was in India, there would be a rally.
Absolutely.
Agree.
And right now, people were just walking here and there. I was like, wow.
Yeah.
And they were so sweet to speak as well. So that was so nice. Dubai gives you opportunity and it creates a platform where anyone can go and say hi to anyone.
Absolutely.
Who was at the summit? I want to know.
There was Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast, who
Mr.
else
Beast,
you
yes.
want? Yeah.
Oh, festivals. Oh, okay. I've just seen him.
मैंने chocolate देखा है.
Mr. Beast nature
मैंने
chocolate.
chocolate देखा है.
Oh, with that.
All right. So, also, I want to know: do you guys look for more views when creating content? Do you prefer like you go after views when creating content?
No.
What about you?
No, I like it, yes, when I get views. But I don't plan my content according to what's going on. I think people should do that to get more views, yes. But because I don't do it, so whenever I get views, then I'm very happy. Ki, wow, this got views, even though it's not related.
Yeah, same. I barely have hopes when I'm posting. मैं बस post कर देती हूँ. I'm like देखा जाएगा. क्या फर्क पड़ता
Yeah.
है?
You know, one of the best thing about Mihika is she is creating content and she's speaking, ranting, ho ya jo bhi hai. She have built her community. Like you said, you have watched her, you have watched her. So this kind of content, not many people are doing it. So I just want to know, how is it to build a community? Like what happens behind the screen?
Yeah, like do girls message you ki, Di, you
Oh,
are so
गालियाँ पड़ती है. Threats भी आते हैं. I mean,
Oh, because of
course.
the Splitsvilla
Yes,
commentary.
absolutely. I received so much hate, but I was just, ठीक है, engagement हो रही है. Like that's how I take it because I've gone through cyberbullying, I've gone through all of that. तो अब मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. But लड़कियाँ, like there are little girls, they're so invested in these people कि they are ready to fight. Some people were like, may your family die, and these kind of comments, like
God.
threats, literally, we'll kill you. This and that. I was like, oh my God, okay. Like for a second, it took on me, but I was like, is it worth it? Nah. And then I was like, never mind. Let's move on to the next. Actually, इससे view आ रहे हैं तो और बना लेते हैं. So I kept on making. I was like, why not?
I mean, how did you feel about it when you used to get negative comments?
Actually, like it's back then, जब मैं पहले videos बनाती थी, तब बहुत ज़्यादा hate मिलता था. And because TikTok used to be cringe. Apparently, at that point of time. So I was cyberbullied in my school only. तो मैंने वो phase
Experienced it.
हाँ, बहुत कुछ हो चुका था. तो अब मुझे फर्क पड़ता ही नहीं है. Also now we've learned that negative या positive जो भी है वो engagement है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So जब तक आपका profile ऊपर जा रहा है, it's okay, कोई बात नहीं. बोलने दो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Exactly.
But how did you make that loyal sort of fan base of like whatever like followers you have? Like, you know, the people who stick with you, like what kind of content do you think was it that worked?
I think the ranting. They
Yeah.
were just relating with it कि नहीं हाँ ये situation जो थी वो ऐसी ही थी and they were relating to it. जो मुझे लगा कि like मैंने तो randomly बोल दिया था. There was no script, nothing. I just said what I felt and जो मैंने देखा था show में मैंने उसके बारे में बात की थी. So I think they were just connecting with it.
And do you recognize कि अरे this girl's following me for so long? Like, do you know their like
Oh no,
names or
मैं नहीं
anything?
ध्यान देती हूँ बिल्कुल भी. No. I don't check much. मैं engagement notifications भी नहीं check करती हूँ.
Okay, so you just
I just post and leave it.
done.
Yeah.
That's actually that's
No, see what happens is when you go after those things, right? Engagement नीचे जाते हैं. So it,
Yeah. When you keep expectations and hopes कि ये चाहिए हमें तो फिर नहीं होता है.
yeah. Okay, so what kind of shows you are watching currently?
Desi Bling.
Have you completed it?
Yeah.
And how was your experience?
Shut up.
that's the best way to summarize
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay. Shut up.
That
Actually,
was
I
your
really
reaction.
yes, this is the thing I wanted to say just to some particular characters what I saw. Of course, it was scripted.
Yeah.
Like, there are a lot of debates, even on my page when I posted that reel. Like, I got a lot of negative comments. Like, how will you feel if your boyfriend is going to be discussing you with
Yeah.
his friends? So I actually commented back. I took a lot of efforts for that comment, saying that I'll talk to my boyfriend. What is the issue? Why are you discussing me with them? But yeah, I think it was like too over the hype. इतना नहीं दिखाना चाहिए था.
Is it like Indian audience doesn't like this kind of content?
I mean, it wouldn't be fair if we generalize, like, the Indian diaspora doesn't like consume such kind of content. But the thing is this, why can't you be real for once? Point is that, like, whoever is there in, like, Desi Bling, just be real. Like, don't try to fit in.
But you know what I wonder is, I wonder that ये जो भी character portray किया गया है, चाहे वो कितना भी scripted हो, how did they agree to do it? I wouldn't agree to be that person if
I
I'm
have
not.
something to say here. If you have a money, पैसा बोलता है.
No, it doesn't matter, right? Paisa bolta hai, it's just like that. It doesn't matter. You have money, you have everything. You just want fame and relevancy right now. Because for example, Satish Sanpal or anyone, no one was speaking them on the podcast long back.
Right.
But right now, everyone are like, okay.
They're everywhere.
So I was just creating content on that as well, my opinions. Like the new form of personal branding will be shows like this.
Reality shows.
yeah. Personal and even your corporate branding, Annex Capital
Absolutely.
obviously must have,
And we
people-
didn't hear about any of these
Nothing
before,
on the-
right?
Yeah.
And then अब show के through हमें पता चला कि ये
Because
कहाँ
हम
पे है.
billboards में देखते थे like NX Developments and Decisive Zone, right?
Yes,
yeah.
Decisive Zone.
So this guy, we knew them as a company, but we didn't know who were the people behind the company. But right now they have built their personal brand through this. Right now we know the person.
Absolutely.
So it's just like there will be more shows coming where entrepreneurs will be the characters
Yeah.
of the
Right.
thing.
Speaking of like Desi Bling, I feel Tejasvi was, I think, my favorite. Like I was team Tejasvi.
Okay.
Like,
Disagree.
Debating about that. But I feel like Tejasvi was so herself, and I felt in pure lot mein se, even if it was scripted, I feel like she was still one person who was trying to stay grounded to
Yeah.
how she was and true to herself. Others were still a bit little fakeish, and you know, when she was sort of the outsider, and because maybe I related because I'm an expat here for like 6 years now, but still I always feel like an outsider because people here know each other. Everybody knows everybody, and I think she was sort of also in the same space. And also Satish was so like unproblematic.
Yeah.
Like except for the party part of it, or like the party as a person in the show, बेचारे ने एक भी fight नहीं करी, and he was only calming everybody. Okay, नहीं मत लड़ो, बिंदा मत लड़ो. But I think he was so unproblematic.
No, even with his wife was quite good. Like problem ही नहीं करती थी, उसको क्या problem था?
Binda did have issues with Tejasvi, I think, after
Yeah,
some
with
time, and she
Tejasvi,
was
but
branding
not
this-
with
No, the
her
thing is
husband,
this.
No,
right?
not husband, yeah.
You be grounded, I agree. It's okay. But don't try to be like that agony aunt. And same time, you're even being like, so cringy, because this is not the Tejasvi that I know what I used to see her on screen.
Right.
Okay.
Like when I saw her in all the serials and all, I used to feel very proud. Like,
Yeah.
she came in Big Boss. Even in Big Boss, she had goofed up. Like there was one weekend ke war pe where she indulged into an argument with Salman Khan.
Oh, I saw
You
that.
can't talk to me like that, na. ये क्या है?
Yeah,
सामने सलमान खान खड़ा है यार, अपना मुंह बंद कर रहे हैं.
You know, I think I remember that reel, and then Salman goes like, "Don't talk to me like
Yes,
that."
exactly.
Yeah, I remember that one. But still, I feel in amongst everybody, I would still pick her. Most like I feel real character there, and Satish Santpa was just funny. I think just for the comic element.
He
I
was
would-
funny.
he was-
Who else? Which character did you like?
Dyuti.
Oh my god. Okay.
She's
Why?
a Duty fan.
No way.
I love his personality.
Okay.
Irrespective of whatever is going on in his personal life, whatever he brought it on camera. Like, if he is going to be watching this, so this was the reason I was saying I have a huge list of crushes. I'm very much in Dubai. Let's connect.
Okay. Reel banega iska. Reel katega.
But I don't know, a lot of people were like, saying that he looks like Ajay Devgan and all that.
He does.
Thoda
He
bahut.
does. He
A
does, he
bit.
does.
A little bit.
Yeah.
So he, for me, like, I felt he was very honest, but इतना honest ही नहीं दिखाना चाहिए था कि आप सब कुछ again on screen बोल रहे हो, खास करके अपनी life के बारे में, partner के बारे में. But वो part बस एक red flag लगा मुझे.
What about you, Mika?
I loved the sisters.
Okay.
They were so real. They were so like together. Even the ending, the sisters and the mother, I think they were so beautiful. The bond was beautiful and less dramatic, of course. किसी से इतना ज़्यादा पंगा भी नहीं था. A girl's girl, which is why I really loved them.
You
But
know
I think you should love Pamela also.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
No, not at all.
Yeah, I was about to. The way Karan said, like, Lika.
Every time there used to be this like nagging kind of song and she used to come on the show.
She was real, I felt.
Even she
I mean, she was within herself, but she played a unique character with all the people.
If you notice that episode, like there was a scene wherein like she's inviting all for the birthday.
Right.
So that's where I was like,
Yes.
nahi, bandi achhi hai, bas like sometimes in
situations.
flow, you don't know what to speak and how to speak.
Yeah.
One of the thing which I guess Karan was speaking on one of the podcasts, he said while we were shooting, we didn't know what was happening on the other shoots, other sets.
Right.
Okay.
And that was how the entire show was done. Like they are doing their own sets.
Yeah.
They didn't know the scripts. I was
Right.
like, okay, this is cool, and this is a unique form of insider information which we got.
So it's reality and scripted.
Yeah.
It's basically a
Yeah,
mix of
they
both.
just knew what they have to do.
Yeah.
But they don't know what else is happening on the other side.
So we
it.
can't call it a reality, but this is like completely scripted. Like you know
Actually,
your script,
Yeah,
you know
they
your
know my
script,
script,
he
yeah.
knows I
Yeah.
know.
Interesting. But he put so much concealer, man. Karan.
जो भी
His
उसका
under
stylist
eyes
है,
were-
that stylist needs to be called out. How did you ruin it for him?
His under eyes were shining दूर से कि अच्छा दिख
What
रहा है.
about dressing sense?
Even the dressing sense, I'm so against it. I think he had the worst dressing sense. And I think he's such a charming personality.
Yeah.
अगर उसको अच्छे से dress up किया होता, वो क्या दिखता?
Splitsvilla mein when he was there
Yes.
throughout.
Yes.
Like
Oh my God.
handsome.
Exactly.
This is what I was
He's
like
such a good
feeling.
personality, right?
But इसमें देखकर I'm like 360 opposite. Like is it Dubai
Makeup?
effect?
Oh, shit.
the
but
makeup.
do you think Dubai
dressing-
life is like this?
I mean,
Yeah.
इतना ज़्यादा
I
over?
feel there's so much. I feel there are many extra people in Dubai.
Like-
Like you will always find extra. And his the thing he wore for the Pamela's birthday party, or even that lunch, जो भी था, like Satish Santpa.
That Maharaj and get up and all that, even for the Bollywood party, it is too much.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Like, would you do that in
Even-
India?
Yeah, would you do
If
exactly?
you do that, I mean, are you going to do that? नहीं, आप नहीं करोगे ये.
No, but do you think in reality Dubai life ऐसा है जैसे it was showed in Desi Playing?
I think maybe in their circle, that's how it is.
Not just
The
a
elite
circle,
circle of
like
their
Indian
circle.
currently whatever events I have been attending, work, non-work, I see all the females like ekdam jing bling and all. I'm like, this is like too much. Like we need to mellow down a little bit. Like I know it's of course their choice. I'm no one to comment on that.
Yeah.
Because then what happens? Like again, like Tejasvi in Desi Bling, I'm also an outsider to Dubai.
Yeah.
So even like I wouldn't say I'm trying to fit in, but I keep myself like, okay, fine. This is how I want to dress up. This is how I want to go. But I see a lot of women here, like so much of shimmer, so much of like extras, like whatever they do with their face. I don't want to get there. Yeah, I see that a lot.
I want to get started, but I will also be.
Okay, you can go.
Kalika, come on, you need to support me. Be a girl's
I will
girl.
support because so much much work you do on yourself, okay? So you do it, we're not questioning you. But if someone's not as well dressed as opposed to you, you shouldn't look down on them as well. Like that's what I feel.
I agree.
Because sometimes people tend to tell you, look a certain way, be a certain way to fit, because Dubai is very fancy and everything. But for me, I feel I'm well dressed. But maybe just because you are extra for me, I don't have to reach your level of like your standards of.
You guys are Gen Zs, right?
Yeah, I'm in 2000 born.
Okay.
2001, yeah.
Yeah. So.
I'm not a Gen Z.
Yeah.
I'm quite elder to them.
So, do you think Gen Zs would prefer those kind of outfits when you go to events like that? The shiny, heavy.
Nah, I prefer comfort. I always prefer comfort.
What
Am
about
I
you,
comfortable
Manindra?
being
I don't know.
in
For
that?
me, it's too much when I see like be simple, be minimal, like not like always
Yeah.
extra. Like many times, it's like many people come and tell me also like, hey, look at your nails. I'm like, yeah, I don't want to do extensions. It's my choice. At the end of the day, my nails. So that's how I keep it.
Okay. Tell me, let's go one by one. What's the best thing you got about Daisy Blink?
I just said it.
Shut
And Yuti. Yes.
What about you, Mika?
Best thing.
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि मेरा टाइम ही वेस्ट हुआ दुबई ब्लिंग वाज बेटर दोबारा मत बनाना देसी ब्लिंग
Okay, let's compare Dubai Bling and Daisy Bling.
Ooh.
Okay. Dubai Bling was totally fine to watch. Desi Bling, mat banana. Dobara mat banana. You should.
I think there should be Desi Bling season 2. Let's see what more masala they can put.
You know what I got from your vibe? You are the person who like to see more of Indian serial
I am
type.
a Bollywood buff.
Okay.
Like I have been consuming a lot of Bollywood since my childhood. My first movie was Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's the time where like I had seen Salman Khan pehli bari screen par. I know he was not the main lead, parallel lead bola jata hai. Sajan ji. I'm like, I want this person to be my Sajan, but then I'm like, baby me looking at him, and then makes no sense. But yeah, so it's always been Bollywood for me.
Okay, so what other shows you guys are
Off
watching?
campus.
Okay.
Ooh, I just finished it. Off campus, I also watched, and I'm watching One Tree Hill, but that's an old show, but I'm just watching it for the
Okay,
first time.
let's go. Have you watched Off Campus?
No,
Okay.
not
So
yet.
what else you're watching? Daisy Bling was the last one?
I finished Splits Villas this season.
So did I say.
Okay.
Yeah, apart from that, I love and I wait for Big Boss.
Okay.
I don't watch Indian Idol a lot anymore.
Who
Of
is your
course, I love
favorite
her.
Big Boss character?
Salman Khan.
Apart from Salman Khan.
It was Siddharth Shukla.
Okay.
Like, for me, he was the best. Of course, very aggressive. But he had some different spark in him, which the other seasons I could not really spot. Apart from that, Rahul Vaidya, he was a good contestant for me, but he did one bachkani harkat by just like, saying, I want to go home, I don't want to stay and all that stuff. And then it was Karan Kundra, of course.
Okay. Do you guys like Rakhi Sawant by any chance?
Yeah, I love her.
Yeah,
What a
love.
vibe.
She's entertainment.
Yeah. I like
Love
that
it.
sound.
You know, I was watching one of her video yesterday itself.
Was it for Desi Bling?
No.
Okay.
That was in collaboration with Mashable, Carcast. So where she was mentioning like मैं किसी को भाड़े पे लिया था as a husband.
How Deepak Kalal? Richie?
No, not
Ritesh,
Deepak. No, some guy, he paid me 2 crores to get into Big Boss.
Adil.
I'm not sure. Oh, could be. See, there's been many.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know.
I was like, wow, this is something. She is so unfiltered and so raw. I was like, bhai, look, aise hone chahiye.
Like
Like,
what is
whatever.
extra sometimes, but she is nice. Like I really like the way, like her confidence.
You know, I saw her closely in
GGN. We
right?
did.
Oh, she
So, yeah, she was there. So I felt जो लोग रहते ना, the Rakhi Sawant character can be our Mosi or anyone as well. So it's just like she is not on camera, so not everyone hates her. So just because Rakhi Sawant is on camera, so the entire media hates her and the personality is like that. And when everyone hates one person, so even if we don't hate her,
Yeah,
that
you start
character,
hating
we
on
laugh
them.
at that character.
We all must be having certain
Like we
in our
have that-
personal lives. Yeah.
But can we just discuss? Speaking of reality TV, what's your take on Ruru, Akkutara, and this?
Oh my
what's his
Lord.
name, Yogesh? Because I don't watch Splitsvilla, but my best friend, she has filled me in on all the tea. जो पूरा इनका love triangle चला है. So I just wanna discuss that.
Akansha, Ruru, and Yogesh.
Yogesh.
Yeah.
I felt
What
very
you
bad for
made some
Akansha.
video, right? But I didn't watch
She
it.
did
so tell me.
crazy videos and she got good views as well in
What's
1-2
your take on
videos
this?
on that.
I was like pissed at, pissed at them. I was like, what did Yogesh do? Apparently, it was all pre-planned and all of that. Then how is it a reality show? How are you defining a reality show? Especially this time, this Splitsvilla. Like, हर इंसान का कोई ना कोई connection बाहर था. And you get to know this while the show is ending, which was really sad to see because it means that we were betrayed all along.
Yeah.
हमने कितना 3 महीने ये show चला था इस बार?
Correct,
For 3 months we've been watching it, right? And then we get to know, oh, इसकी तो girlfriend थी, oh, इसका तो boyfriend था बाहर. And then these 3 people in the show, they're like, oh, he just suddenly left Akansha because it was planned with Ruru. So he was like, I'll go by the plan. उसको छोड़ दिया. And then show के बाद, he's again with Akansha. So ये क्या चल रहा है? Like,
कटा तेरा है बहन. And then I'm watching these reels where some girls like, so when Akansha tells Ruru and she's like कटा तेरा है, and then another girl puts her picture and she's like कटा तो मेरा भी है. Those are my favorite reels these days.
I don't know, but I really loved the chemistry between Gullu and Kaira.
oh yes, lovely. They were
Like,
lovely.
ye
The winners,
desi
the
banda
winners.
or
Yeah,
ye
yeah, the
desi
winners.
name. That kind of a thing.
Oh, they were so strong. They
Very
played
nice,
so
very
well
nice.
throughout.
Yeah.
And I think they're still together. They're still together, I guess.
I think so.
I hope so. I hope
Okay,
so.
let's speak about off campus.
Oh yes.
That's trending, and I felt that was kind of thing which Gen Zs like to watch right now these days.
It was
Yeah,
such a
yeah.
healer. That show was a healer.
Okay,
I
tell
feel.
me like what's the show about off campus?
I think so. It's basically obviously about Belmont, the guy hero, and the heroine, right? So these people are like super young characters, showing how things happen in a college life. Maybe not in Desi, but theirs. But yeah, I think it was a beautiful story that they showed how this guy stands up for his girl always, and you know, fake love करते करते एक fake relation दिखाते दिखाते actual में प्यार हो जाता है. Very beautiful story.
Spoiler दे दिया.
Sorry about that. But it's still a very beautiful series to watch. I think it's just the world is healing. It felt like the world is healing. No one was really against each other. That girl had a best friend, a proper girl's girl. कोई किसी को betray नहीं कर रहा है. वो लड़की के पीछे एक दूसरा लड़का भी पड़ता है, but she still doesn't cheat. So there's no cheating. There's no betrayal. It was just all pure love. So I think the world
And
is
it
healing.
shows that what a girls want in that, the way the character was played. So it shows ki how the entire, it's not like there was decency, no cheating in that entire show for what I felt.
Yeah, I felt, but for me, it felt a little longer. Like the show could have been thoda sa chota. Like I think they stretched a little bit, but story-wise, I loved it. And people really want, like at least we girls also want to watch a lot of enemies to lovers, fake dating to lovers, all these different love tropes. So I think that was sweet.
काफी उलझा हुआ है Gen Z.
Enemies to lovers.
Yeah. What else, like Gen Z friendly shows, what would you recommend?
Oh, Nobody Wants This. That's a good show. Then there's a show called Love Life on Netflix where they show this one girl and each episode is about one guy that, different guys come into her life, but each episode is about how that one particular guy shaped her personality and everything, and with so many situationships going around these days, so girls might love it. And for me, I think, One Tree Hill is a very nice show if anybody wants to watch. And yeah.
You have any movie recommendation, Mika?
मूवी का तो पता नहीं, but मैंने अभी I'm actually looking forward to the second season of Traitors because there's going to be like huge celebrities this time. पिछली बार भी थे, but इस बार apparently there's Munawar Farooqi, there is Parul Gulati, there are huge people.
Yeah.
So I'm really looking forward to watching that shows, and I also like these murder mystery kind of shows. So this is kind of a mystery one, so I really love it. End तक पता नहीं चलता कि क्या हो रहा है, so I love these kind of
Did
shows.
you watch Something Bad Is Going to Happen?
I haven't.
Watch that if you like murder mystery.
I will.
That's a good one.
What about you? What type?
Bollywood, and of course, I'm
yeah.
not a Gen Z, so
Which are
whatever-
your favorite movies?
favorite movies, all Salman Khan.
Okay.
All of them. And Tere Naam is something cult classic.
Can you guys relate to it?
Tere Naam, yeah, I'm a psycho.
Psycho.
You're like, can you relate? No, but you said, can you relate? But in Tere Naam, what else will I relate to? There's no,
Big hair.
he's in the jail, ऐसे जंजीरें बंधी हुई उसके हाथ पे. But no, you know what? This reminds me. Have you watched Obsession?
No.
You haven't watched the movie, guys. Obsession is so good. It's about this. I don't know. I don't want to say anything, but
No,
that's
you can give spoilers.
I
That
can't.
we want some.
No. We'll watch it.
okay.
We
it's
wanna watch
just- just watch Obsession. I
Okay.
would like to say
We'll
that's
watch it.
all I'm
Okay,
gonna say.
cool. Chalo, let's play some game.
Okay.
And so I got your reaction for Desi Bling. What was your first reaction for Desi Bling?
Desi Bling, I think Indian drama, so I was into it. Like, it's not nothing against it.
What about you?
Cringe.
Cringe. Okay. Who were you rooting for
In
in Desi Bling?
Beauty.
Tejasvi.
The sisters.
The sisters. Okay. When Tabinda said that 3 kilo, 40
kilo.
40 kilo gold, so how was your reaction?
Like, I'm not going to do this.
Oh my
मैं
god.
गला दबा दूंगी अपने पति का पैर नहीं दबाऊंगी मैं
Wait, which part? 40 kilo?
40
किलो
kilo.
गोल्ड
Or she said रखा हुआ है.
40 kilo रखा हुआ है. That
Yeah, she's like, can you imagine? I've been gifted
Gifted
this
that
much.
much.
I have this much.
Oh, I remember Tejasvi's reaction to that.
Yeah.
That, yeah.
Yeah, and she was like, what? Shut up.
Okay, let's play date, marry and reject.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with Salman Khan.
मैरी
Okay, wait. Let me give you the
You
character.
are one, right?
Marry, बाकी का देख लेंगे.
Marry.
बाकी देख लूंगी मैं.
So date, marry, reject. Prem from Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. Okay. Chulbul Pandey Dabang. Tiger Zinda hai.
डेट टाइगर मैरी प्रेम
Mm-hmm.
रिजेक्ट चुलबुल पांडे वो कैरेक्टर मुझे पल्ले नहीं पड़ा लाइक नो आई डिड नॉट लाइक दैट मच
Okay, let's go with you, Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
Okay, Raj from DDLJ, Rahul from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Devdas from Devdas.
Oh shit. But Devdas will die. No. Reject. Alcoholic. No, sorry. Devdas reject. Raj and Rahul.
Yeah.
Raj from DDLJ marry and date Rahul. Rahul was, by the way, just character was so. He played around with Anjali, and then when she became hot, she came back to her.
Oh my
He
god.
came back
Okay.
to her.
Okay, let's go with Amir.
Okay.
Okay. Rancho from 3 Idiots, Sanjay from Gajni, PK from PK.
Which was the other two?
Rancho and who's that? Sanjay from Gajni.
Sanjay Singhania.
नहीं उसमें उसका मेमोरी लॉस हो जाएगा शादी नहीं कर सकते
Date ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. उसके बाद memory loss and then marry. He was fun character.
Rancho was
वो सही था.
So Rancho marry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm बचा ही वो है. PK reject.
कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं.
Fungsuk Wangdu.
Punsuk Wangdu.
सो मिहिका वांगडू आर यू
Oh my god. Okay, Ranveer Singh, who wants to go?
मी
Ranveer Singh, of course.
Okay, Murad from Gully Boy, Hamza from Dhurandhar and Bajirao from Bajirao Mastani.
Okay, Hamza to marry. There's a reason behind it. He's so focused for the country.
Yeah.
फोटो वोटो जलाया चलो अलग बात है पता है आखिर में मेरे पास ही आएगा गली बॉय मुराद रिजेक्ट थोड़ा सा टॉक्सिक हो गया था एक पॉइंट पे वो तालिया भट्ट एंड हु वाज द थर्ड वन
बाजीराव.
बाजीराव बचा क्या डेटिंग ना ठीक है कर लेंगे डेट
Okay, Ranbir Kapoor, who wants to go?
Oh yes.
Okay, Ranbir. You like Ranbir Kapoor?
I love him. Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay. You met him?
No.
Okay, fine.
Unfortunately.
Bunny, Janardhan, Bunny, obviously, Ye Jawani Ye Dewane, Janardhan, Rockstar, and Shiva from Brahmastra.
Oh my god. Shiva marry. Bunny date.
Okay.
Actually, Bunny was such a nice friend. Yeah, date, I guess.
Okay.
And the third one reject, of course.
Okay.
जनार्दन
Rockstar
झाकड़
rejecting.
Oh my god. No.
यही ऑप्शन बचा.
मैं change कर सकता हूँ.
date marry कर ले.
Okay. So let's start with Big Boss. किसको जाना है? Big Boss characters.
She's
like
Bollywood
what
buff.
big boss
Okay,
characters
I will give you Siddharth Shukla, Karan Kundra, Elvish Yadav. Date, marry, reject.
सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला बेचारा he's no more so
Okay.
yeah
You-
let's replace that option because reject करना it's not a right thing
Gautam Gulati.
yeah.
Gautam Gulati Elvish Yadav and
Karan.
Karan Mary oops I'm spoiling
देख लेना
I'm
वैसे
spilling
कैसा प्रपोजल होगा देसी ब्लिंग के बाद.
मेरे को प्रपोजल ऐसा ही चाहिए करण रिजेक्ट एल्विश यादव पता नहीं वाइब नहीं बैठती एंड दिस द थर्ड वन गौतम गुलाटी चलो ठीक है डेट कर लेंगे बाद में देख लेंगे
Okay. Daisy Blingman, who want to go?
I go.
Okay. Rizwan Sajan, Satish Sanpal, Duty.
Leave duty for me.
Okay, you know what? I will keep duty for
Okay, reject
Shraddha.
duty,
So
reject.
Rizwan Sajan and Satish Santpal. I will marry Satish Santpal and I will date Rizwan Sajan.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Indian creators. Okay.
Okay.
You will go.
Sure.
Ranveer Alabadia, Bhuvan Bam, Ashish Chanchalani.
Oh my god.
मेरा tough choice है.
एक तो अच्छा दे देता.
सारे अच्छे हैं.
एक तो अच्छा दे देता. Sorry again.
Ashish
Ranveer,
Chanchalani.
Ashish and who's the
Bhuvan
third one?
Bhuvan Bam. BB की vines.
Okay, I think BB marry.
Okay.
Ashish date and Ranveer reject.
Oh shit. He's dating someone. So.
Yeah. उसी को date करे better.
Okay. So this is for you. Wild card hai. Your phone, your ring light, your comment section. Okay. Who would you marry if that was a character?
Okay.
Okay. Your phone, your ring light, your
Marry
comment
my phone.
Okay.
Date the ring light.
Okay.
Reject the comment section.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah. Chalo, rapid fire round. Let's start with you. Favorite binge right now?
Off campus.
Okay. Most overrated show everyone has hyped.
Desi Bling.
Agree.
Daisy Bling in one word.
Cringe.
Tavinda Sanpal.
Over the top.
Netflix or YouTube?
YouTube.
Okay. One word for yourself.
Crazy.
Okay.
Oh,
You?
Okay.
One Tree Hill or Gilmore Girls?
Oh, One Tree Hill.
Okay. Friends or The Office?
The Office.
Most iconic line from your favorite show?
I'm brooking myself.
Which one is that?
One Tree Hill. Brooke
Okay.
from One Tree Hill.
Okay. One word for yourself.
Cute.
Okay. So. Okay. Reality show. Most iconic Big Boss moment.
Most iconic Big Boss moment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when Siddharth Shukla and Shehnaz Gill were into some fight and Salman Khan had actually entered the house and Salman Khan was like, this is more than friendship.
Okay.
This is very dangerous. Be very careful, Siddharth. This is what he had said.
Best reality show every Indian should watch.
Best reality show. Well, that is not a reality show, लेकिन बना देते हैं क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. Please watch. Please watch.
Okay. Daisy Bling character cast member who you want to be friends with?
Duty.
Duty.
Beauty fan page.
दोस्ती से शुरू होता है जुनैद.
Off campus.
Friends to lovers.
Let's see what happens later.
Irina नहीं है ना अब तो.
No,
Not sure
wait,
yet.
we spotted in Mumbai together, guys. I saw it.
Yeah, I did too. Yeah.
Okay. One word for yourself.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. So we are ending this. So what's your goal in life?
Oh, इतना reality discuss करने के बाद.
Signing off.
ये on cam on mic बोलना है कि off cam?
जो भी बोलना है बोलो रियल बोलो.
What is my goal in life?
Yeah.
अरे यार इतना spot पे डाल दिया. अभी मेरा दिमाग दौड़ाना पड़ेगा
ना
मुझे.
ड्यूटी से.
Okay, let's come out of all that, like, you know, fantasies of mine. But this is slightly motivational. So I want to be like the best daughter.
Okay.
Like what my mom has always been like, you know, thinking that ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. So finally, वो उनकी इच्छा पूरी करूँ मैं. That's my only goal. Like work and all, it will come and go. I'm pretty sure.
Okay. What's your goal?
Okay, my goal in life is to make everybody laugh. I love it when I make people laugh. So that's it.
Okay. Who is your favorite comedian? Samir Raina?
Samir Raina. Veer Das Samir Raina.
Actually, it's common for all three of us. Samir Raina.
Why Samir Raina? Why do you think so?
I think he says the things which other people are afraid to say.
जो सोचते हैं वो बोलता है.
Correct.
And that's, yeah, pretty good.
What's your goal, Meghna?
I just want to live for myself, not for the society. I've lived under restrictions all my life, but now I want to live for myself. I want the freedom. That's my goal.
Amazing. So before we end, thank you so much for being on the podcast. Anyone watching this, what would you like to say? One word or something.
Please follow us like this episode and follow Junaid because
Subscribe
of
to
him.
TBA.
Like, share, subscribe.
What
Okay.
about you?
I'll just want to say people are very thin skinned sometimes. Just develop a thick skin, guys. Whoever you are, it will take you a long way in life, and try to take criticism on the chin.
अपने लिए जियो, दुनिया के लिए नहीं.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I want to say.
Got it. This is an amazing advice. I like. There was one advice or dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan. मुस्कुराओ,
हंसो
हंसो, मुस्कुराओ,
क्या
खुश
पता
रहो,
क्या
हाँ,
पता कल
कल
वो
वो
ना
ना
हो.
हो. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, that's one advice which I give to everyone. हंसो मुस्कुराओ, but I forgot that dialogue. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching till this end. I hope you enjoyed this amazing conversation about reality shows. Thank you so much. Subscribe to TBH with JJ and follow this amazing ladies over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having
Thank
us.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah.